Good day everyone, I'm your teacher for today, Arjurti Kabukin from STEM 11-19. Now, we will be talking about operations on functions, addition and subtraction. So, if you're ready, let's go! Operation on function. Operation on functions, such as arithmetic operations that can be performed on functions such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So let's get started. Our number one example for addition is f plus g. What we need to do is simply copy f of x plus g of x. After that, copy naman natin yung kanilang functions, no? So, when f of x is 7x plus 3. After natin siya makopy, simply copy din natin yung plus sign kasi ito po ay addition. The next, copy din natin ang function ng g of x, which is 2x minus 6. So, pag nagawa na natin ganyan, ang hahanapin naman natin ay ang kanilang like terms. So, what is like terms? The definition of like terms in math terms that have the same variable raised to the same power. Example of like terms in math are x, 4x, negative 2x, and 7x. These are like terms because they all contain the same variable x. So now that we know like term is, let's proceed. So mapapansin natin, 7x and 2x is like terms. What we need to do is simply add them. So 7x plus 2x is 9x. After nun, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-rely dito sa sign na to. Kasi ang ilalagay natin na sign sa katabi ng 9x is yung kakalabasan ng 3 plus negative 6. So pag mag-add po tayo ng magkaibang sign, ang ikakopy natin is yung may malaking number. Which in this scenario or function, negative 6 siya, no? So, copy natin, negative 6. After that, i-add na natin sila. Pag mag-add tayo ng magkaibang sign again, magiging subtraction siya, no? So, 3 plus negative 6 is 3. So, simply, this is our answer. So, our number 2 example for addition is f plus h. Simply again, copy lang natin yung f of x plus h of x. So, next step natin, kakopy lang natin yung kanilang functions. Yung f of x is 7x plus 3. Then, simply copy again the plus sign kasi ito po ay addition. After nun, copy din natin yung sa h of x, which is x squared plus 9. So, ang gagawin natin pag ganyan, nakikita nyo, walang like terms. Gagawin natin, ikakopy lang natin yan, sila sa baba. So, which is x squared ng may malaking exponent. Ang gagawin natin, isuunahin natin ang x squared. Plus 7x. Then, ang gagawin lang natin is simply a-add lang natin ng 3 sa 9. So, 3 plus 9 is 12. So, positive 12. So, just like that, ito na ang ating answer. So, let's move on to our examples for subtraction. So let's move on. So now, let's move on to our example for subtraction. So now, let's start our first example for subtraction, which is f minus g. So simply, like in addition, copy lang natin yung f of x, but this time, minus na siya, no? Then, g of x. After nito, kagaya pa rin sa addition, kakopy din natin ang kanilang function. In f of x is 7x plus 3. Then, simply, kakopy rin natin yung sign na minus kasi tayo po ay nasa subtraction na. Then, ikakopy naman natin sunod ang g of x. But, lalagyan natin siya ng open close parenthesis. 2x minus 6 and close parenthesis. Kasi, kaya natin siya lalagyan ng ganyan kasi pag hindi natin nilagyan ng ganyan, may possible na mag-iba yung sign and pamamali tayo. After nun, our next step is copy lang natin tong 7x plus 3. After natin makopyan, i-substitute lang natin itong minus sign dito sa function ng g of x. So, negative times 2x is negative 2x. And negative times negative 6 is negative 6. So, our last step is to identify the like terms. Which is, makikita natin, 7x and 2x are in like terms, no? So, simply, dahil na tayo ay nasa subtraction na, i-minus lang natin sila. 7x minus 2x. 5x, diba? After nyan, i-minus din natin tong 3 minus negative 6. Ang kakalabasan niya is positive 3. So, just like that, here's our answer for f minus g. So, let's move on to our second. So, we're here on our second example for subtraction, which is f minus h. Simply again, copy lang natin f of x minus h of x. Then, katulad lang din kanina, ikakopy natin ang kanilang function. Sa f of x, 7x plus 3. Then, copy natin yung sign kasi ito ay minus or subtraction. Now, maglalagay tayo ng open parenthesis. Then, simply, sulatin natin ang function ng h of x, which is x squared plus 9. After natin gawin yan, bring down lang natin itong 7x and yan. So, copy lang din natin ulit natin to, then isa-substitute niya. Substitute natin yung negative dito sa function ng h of x. So, negative times x squared is syempre, negative x squared. Then, negative times 9 is negative 9. After natin gawin yan, tsaka naman natin nahanapin kung ano yung like terms. So, in this scenario, walang like terms. Magkaiba sila, 7x and x squared. So, simply, kakopy lang natin sila. Pero, ang una natin isusulat ang x squared dahil siyang may malaking exponent. So, x squared plus 7x After nyan, ipag-add lang naman natin tong 3, ipag-subtract natin tong 3 and negative 9. So, ang kakalabasan nyan is positive 12. Magiging addition siya. So, just like that again, this is our answer. So, guys, let's have our activity for addition. As you can see, there are given functions and questions. So, let's start. Number 1 is f plus g. So, first, copy f of x plus g of x, as always. Then, again, copy natin yung functions nila, which is yung f of x is x squared plus 2x minus 7. Then, copy natin yung plus sign. Then, next naman is yung g of x, which is x minus 5. After natin yan, hanapin na natin yung like terms nila and yung wala. So, as you can see guys, x squared, wala siyang like terms. So, copy na natin siya sa baba. Then, plus sign. After nyan, makakita na tayo ng like terms, which is 2x and x. 2x plus x is 3x. After nyan, makakita tayo ng negative 7 plus negative 5, no? So, anong gagawin natin dyan? Ang mangyayari pag ganyan is magiging minus. So, magiging sagot natin dyan is negative 2. So, as simple as that, is our answer. X squared plus 3x minus 2. So, let's move on to our next activity, which is f plus h. So, simply again, copy f of x plus h of x. Now, again, kagaya lang din nun, kakopy lang din natin ulit yung functions. Yung functions ng f of x na x squared plus 2x and negative 7. So, after nyan, copy ulit natin yung plus sign kasi tayo ulit ay nasa addition. So, next, kakopy naman natin yung function ng h of x, which is 2x minus 10. After nyan, titignan natin ulit yung may like terms and yung wala. So, as you can see again, x squared, wala na naman siyang like terms. So, sulat na naman natin siya dyan. After natin siya masulat, plus. Then, makakita na tayo ng like terms, which is 2x plus 2x. X is equals to 4x. Then, negative 7 plus negative 10 is negative 17. So, as simple as that, you got the answer again. So, let's have our number 3, which is g plus h. So, again, copy lang natin ulit. G of x plus h of x. After natin gawin yan, copy naman natin ang kanilang functions, which is x plus 5, and copy the sign again, 5 plus sign, because we're still in addition. And next, 2x minus 10. So let's find the like terms. As you can see, there is a x and 2x. So like terms sila. So So, ipag-add lang natin sila. X plus 2x is 3x. After nun, mag-a-add tayo ng 5 plus negative 10. So, again, kapag mag-a-add tayo ng magkaibang sign, ang kukunin natin is yung malaking number, which is in this scenario or function is negative 10. So, lagyan na natin negative. And again, pag magpa-plus ulit tayo ng magkaibang sign, ang mangyayari is magiging subtraction. So, ang kakalabasan niya is negative 5. So, as simple as that, again, we have our answer. 3x negative 5. So, thank you.
Quote, life is a math equation. In order to gain the most, you have to know how to convert negatives into positives. By Anonymous.
That's all for today. Stay tuned to our future videos. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye-bye!